A veteran guide reveals how microclimates around a trail shape sleep, warmth, and safety, giving hikers a real edge. Viewers learn to read shade, wind, and sun from landmarks and choose a shelter that stays comfortable all night. Real-life moment, a solo hiker finds a sheltered hollow and adjusts clothing as dusk cools. The expert shares quick assessments, improvised windbreaks, and ground insulation using natural materials and gear. Practice turns microclimate skills into second nature, helping beginners and veterans hike farther with confidence.